bed hair. It's do you want to say good morning? Oh, hello.
Good morning.
It's Wednesday morning and we just got a text message saying school is closed because they have no running water, which is a health and safety issue, obviously, especially at this time. I mean, not just at this time of COVID, like any time. Because you can't flush the toilets without running water and you can't wash your hands. So, right, homeschool it is, which is super convenient because I had planned to do loads and loads of work today. But the kids are gonna be, they're gonna be like super helpful. And they're gonna do super good working so that I can still do my work, right?
Well, we're going to be playing video games, and if you call that work, yeah, fine.
Yeah, like maths video game.
Fine.
I'm just gonna quickly have my breakfast, catch up on the latest Buy Bun vlog, and then I'm gonna get into it with the filming. It's a good thing I'm gonna do overhead filming first because I really need to sort out my hair before I put a camera in my face, a different camera from the vlog, because apparently I don't care what I look like in my vlog. So I think that's in the can. I did my overhead filming and then I did the face to camera filming. I don't tend to script stuff like that, but it's difficult. It's difficult saying like, hi, I'm Iris. I mean, even though I know that I'm Iris and like I know all these things, it's difficult to not get into the thing that I do. Yeah, but in any case, I can cut those out anyway. I think I've got everything. I had 6 elements. So these are the 6 elements. I only filmed 2 to 6 because 1 is just editing stuff that already exists. Yeah, I think that's everything. I hope I don't get to my computer and then realize that there was something else I needed to film, but I think that's it. I'm gonna go and do some editing now, get that straight, you know, keep the momentum up. And then I'm actually doing quite well because it's 11 o'clock. I think I've done all of the filming. The editing, I just want to make a start. I don't actually have to finish that today because editing is just something that I do quite naturally. Like I sit at my computer and I'm editing and it doesn't feel like a huge task. Like by comparison, setting up the camera and sitting here and doing like face to camera stuff, that feels much more kind of intimidating and it feels much more effort. Whereas editing doesn't tend to feel like a lot of effort. So even though it's time consuming, it just doesn't feel like a lot of effort. I hope I'm making sense with that kind of distinction. It's not about time spent, it's about what it feels like. So where was I? What was I saying? So I'm going to do a little bit of editing today. Don't have to finish the editing, but then as a reward this afternoon, I'm going to make junk journals. Yes, I'm gonna do it. I've been looking forward to this, and then I always keep finding things to do that are not that, because there's always like more legitimate kind of money-making stuff that needs to be done, or like to-do list stuff. But yeah, no, it's time. It's time for bullet journals. Not bullet journals. Did I say bullet journals? I hope I didn't. I meant junk journals. Ugh, it's gonna happen. Hey Zeph, do you want to be in my vlog?
Yes.
Show us your whole outfit. Okay, from your point of view, it doesn't look as if I've been anywhere, but I have been downstairs cranking on the old editing. I said I wasn't going to edit the whole lesson, but I ended up doing that. It came together quite quickly. yeah, and I'm pleased with it. So that's exporting right now. My poor little noisy computer is doing that. And whilst it's doing that, I am up here to do junk journals. Yay! Finally, my reward. So look, I've got a whole stack of these. Oh, let's not show any addresses. A whole stack of these folders. Let me just show you my previous junk journals. So this is the original junk journal that I made a few years ago, kind of as an experiment. And it was like my first time having something so imperfect and like a place where I could really just push the envelope and not feel precious and kind of develop stuff. And you can really see like there's a lot of different types of things in here, and I just felt free to do that. Oh look, there's swearing in there as well. Yeah, cool, great, loads of it. Yeah, and it was just such a discovery for me. And then oh yeah, like summer work I really like. I love this. So yeah, there's like just loads and loads of raw work in there. I really want to go through this again and like refamiliarize myself with all these little sad devils and stuff. Anyway, then I made another one. This was my second one. I finished that earlier this year, I think. And yeah, that's got a lot of my more recent work in it. It's a little bit more kind of like neatly put together with just like the one style. And then since finishing this one, I haven't had a junk journal, so I'm really needing to make a new one. So I can kind of keep going with that. So I can keep going with that type of art that I feel like I can do when I'm working in a junk journal that doesn't seem so forthcoming when I am working in a different journal, or if I'm working on like standalone pieces. So yeah, I'm ready, and I've been collecting papers, I've been saving papers, I've been saving these folders, so I'm excited. Going well. I've got 2 signatures done. I decided to do 3 junk journals because I've been collecting loads of those Amazon mailers, but then I just realized that quite a few of them are much bigger, and I think they no longer send me the smaller ones, which is annoying. But I have 3 of those. So I'm making 3, and then if after that I still want to make more, I might make more. But for now, I've done 2 signatures. I've got 4 more signatures there, so it's going to be 2 signatures per junk journal. Yeah, it's going well. But right now I am like so hungry. I really feel like I need an afternoon pick-me-up because I'm starving. Oh yes, I also wanted to quickly show you the intro to my Lifebook bonus lesson. So the lesson that I've just been talking about. So I'm going to insert that here. Welcome to my lesson, Colorful Expressions on Lifebook 2022. In this lesson, I want to share the joy of creating simple art with simple supplies and the value in repetition as a tool for learning quickly. We will create cute, quirky, funny, and expressive faces using only colored pencils. So I hope you enjoyed watching that. I quite like putting little teaser thingies at the start of a video just to kind of establish that good vibe and to kind of show what's gonna happen in the lesson itself, rather than like starting a lesson on kind of like, here's my desk and my hands, and it can be a bit boring. So I like to be a bit more dynamic at the start of my lessons. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that. And then now I'm going to close out this vlog. I'm going to hopefully edit this vlog tonight, and then tomorrow's vlog is going to be choir concert vlog. Eee, I'm so excited and nervous and oh my god, yeah, all of the feelings. I will see you in the next one. Bye! Oh no, wait, I lied. I'm back. If you want to join Livebook, see, this was supposed to be like, I was supposed to be like low-key promo, and then I forgot. If you would like to join Livebook and take my lesson that you've just seen a sneak peek of and take lots of other amazing classes with awesome artists, the link is in the description. I hope you will check it out. Okay, now this is for real. Bye!